I am Clara. I am 28 years old. I have short brown hair and green eyes. I live in a small apartment in the city. My apartment is not big, but it is enough for me. I love painting. I paint every day. I dream of becoming a famous artist. But right now, I am not famous. I am not rich. I work as a waitress in a small cafe. I use my free time to paint. My apartment is full of paintings. Some are big, some are small. Some paintings are good, and some are not good. But I keep painting. I have many paintings, but I do not know if anyone will like them. I think about my paintings a lot. Sometimes I feel happy, and sometimes I feel sad. I ask myself, will anyone ever see my paintings? Will anyone ever like them? I do not know the answer. One day, I finish a painting. It is a big one. It is my favorite. I look at it for a long time. I feel proud of it. I think it is my best work. But I also feel scared. I am scared that no one will like it. I am scared that it will stay in my apartment forever. I sit in front of the painting and think about my dream. I want to be a famous artist. I want people to see my work. I want to be rich and live a better life. But I know it is hard. I know I have to work hard to make my dream come true. I have a question for you. What is your biggest dream? Can you write it down? Maybe it will help you think about your dreams, just like me. The next day, I go to a small art gallery. I want to show my paintings to the gallery owner. I hope he likes them. I take 5 paintings with me. I feel nervous. I do not know what he will think. When I arrive, the gallery owner is busy. He is looking at some paintings on the wall. He is an older man with gray hair. I wait for him to look at me. When he finally sees me, he smiles. "Hello," he says. "How can I help you?" "Hi," I say. "I am Clara. I am an artist. I have some paintings. I want to show them to you." He looks at the paintings in my bag. "Let me see," he says. I take the paintings out of my bag. He looks at them for a long time. I feel nervous. I think, will he like them? After a few minutes, he looks at me and says, "I like your work, Clara. It is interesting. But I have one question. Will you be able to sell your paintings? Can you sell them to people?" I think for a moment. I do not know. I don't know, I answer. I want to sell them, but it is hard. People don't know my art. The gallery owner thinks for a few seconds. Then he says, "Okay. I have an idea. I will let you have an exhibition here in my gallery. But there is a challenge. If you sell at least one painting, I will give you more opportunities. If you don't sell, it will be hard to continue." I feel nervous. "Okay," I say. "I will try." "Good," he says. "I will help you. Let's set a date for your exhibition." I leave the gallery feeling excited and scared at the same time. My dream is becoming real. But now, I have to sell my paintings. I wonder, will anyone buy my paintings? Will I succeed? The day of the exhibition arrives. I wake up early, feeling excited but also nervous. I prepare my paintings. I put on my best clothes. I want to look professional. When I get to the gallery, it is still quiet. I am the first one there. I start setting up my paintings on the walls. My hands shake a little. I try to calm down. The gallery is small but beautiful. The walls are white, and the lights are bright. My paintings look good on the walls. I feel proud of them. But I also feel afraid. What if no one comes? What if no one likes my paintings? I look at my paintings again. I tell myself, I worked hard. These paintings are good. I can do this. People start coming in. I smile and greet them. Some people look at my paintings, but they don't say anything. Some people talk to each other and leave quickly. I feel a little sad. No one is interested. I wait. I hope that someone will stop and talk to me. I want to sell at least one painting. I think about the gallery owner's words. If you don't sell, it will be hard. Hours pass. The gallery is still not full. I start to think that maybe this is a big mistake. Maybe I am not a good artist. I begin to feel sad. I think, maybe I will never sell anything. Maybe my dream will never come true. But then, something changes. A woman walks into the gallery. She is wearing a nice dress and sunglasses. She looks at my paintings. She stops in front of one painting and looks at it for a long time. I watch her. I feel nervous again. She turns to me and asks, "Who is the artist of this painting?" I smile and say, "I am. I painted it." She looks at me with interest. "It is beautiful," she says. "I like it very much." My heart beats faster. I can't believe it. Someone likes my painting. The woman continues to look at my painting. I am nervous, but I try to stay calm. She turns to me again. "How much is this painting?" she asks. My heart skips a beat. I feel surprised. I never thought someone would ask about buying my work. I smile and say, "It is $500. She thinks for a moment and then says, "I want to buy it. But I don't just want one painting. I want to buy all of your paintings." I cannot believe it. "All of them?" I ask, my voice shaking. "Yes," she says. "I want to buy all of your paintings. I think you have great talent. I want to support you." My head spins. "Thank you," I say, feeling so happy. I never expected this. I never thought this day would come. The woman writes something down on a piece of paper and hands it to me. "I will pay for all the paintings," she says. "And I will help you. I will tell my friends about you. I want to help you become a famous artist." I feel like I am dreaming. I look at the woman, then at my paintings. I feel so grateful. This is everything I wanted. This is the moment I've been waiting for. "Thank you so much," I say again. You don't know how much this means to me. The woman smiles. You have talent, Clara. I can see it. This is just the beginning for you. I can't believe what is happening. I am so happy. My dream is coming true. I think about all the hard work I did, all the nights I spent painting. It was all worth it. This is the start of a new life for me. The next few months are amazing. My paintings are sold in galleries around the world. I travel to new cities and meet many people. I can finally live the life I dreamed about. But I remember the days when I was struggling, painting in my small apartment, with no money. Now, I use my success to help other artists. I want them to know that dreams can come true if you keep trying. One day, I return to my old apartment. It is small and simple, but it brings back memories. I look at the walls where I used to paint. I remember all the hard work, the doubts, and the hope. I smile. My life is different now, but I am still the same person. I have learned so much. I think about the woman who bought my paintings. She believed in me when I didn't believe in myself. I thank her in my heart every day. She changed my life. And now, I want to help others. I want to be the person who believes in someone else's dream. I want to ask you something. What is your dream? What do you want to do with your life? Maybe it is hard now, but if you work hard and believe in yourself, you can make it happen. Just like I did. Write down your dream. It doesn't matter how big or small it is. The important thing is that you believe in it. And remember, you are not alone. There are people who will help you, just like I had help. Keep going. Keep believing. Your dream is possible. I know it is. You can do it.